Afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's January 28th. We had our big conference over the weekend. I want to thank everybody that was able to make it and attend. Certainly hope it was a great time for you. I know it certainly was for us. But for those of you that missed it, we're going to have the recording of it here, and you can at least see what some of the stuff that we had put out on our website. It's not done just yet, but hopefully later on this week we'll be able to have that up there for purchase for you guys that were not able to attend. But it was a great conference. A lot said during it. We put out a lot of our projections here for the year. But what a great way to start the marketing season and really try to wrap your brain around the things that may end up happening here as we go through this year. So take a look at that if you have not. Or give us a call. We'll be glad to go over things with you as well. But today, a little stronger day. Corn up about 8.5 cents. Beans up 6 3/4, with wheat trying to follow along up 2 3/4. But beans with most of the strength. Not a lot of trade today. Volume was very light. So we rallied off a light volume, but we rallied right up to resistance again. There's a long-term trend line that we've gone up and hit again. Kind of sets up more of a turnaround Tuesday type attitude for tomorrow, but be aware of that. We are up against some good resistance right above us on corn, but beans and wheat just really struggled to get anything going today. So we'll see if that carries into tomorrow as well. Some of the other markets, the dollar up about 6 cents, crude oil 63 higher. So crude oil continuing its path higher, continuing to find strength. 96.50 a barrel right now. Very strong. Next upside target is closer to that $100 level. So continue looking for that. But as far as some of the livestock, fat cattle up $2.15 for February, $2.30 higher in the Aprils. Very strong day today for cattle. We've been waiting for something like this for cattle, but overall the biggest reasons, a bullish cattle on feed report on Friday. So and then of course today there was some news out, and we've sent out some emails here about Japan confirming that they are going to take beef from 30 months of age or younger. That's up from 20. So Japan was has been a huge importer of our beef. Then after the BSE thing, they basically had gone to nothing. And now we're starting to build up this Japanese demand once again. And this is just yet another thing here for cattle market to really get excited about. So this is positive news. Strong close today for cattle. Probably going to see that try to strengthen up again. We'll see what cash cattle does this week. Might look for a little stronger cash trade now that we've got some momentum here on the board as well. As far as hogs, 37 cents higher today, 87.20. That's after a slightly lower cash trade yesterday. But overall, for these hogs, we've seen very strong cash markets. We feel that we're going to see that continue and probably look for that to continue here this week as well. Look for this more sideways to maybe higher markets at this point as far as hogs. But the cash market's king. That's what's driving this market at this point, and that's what you've got to continue to focus on. So, but as far as grains, I think tonight maybe we might get a little bit of a setback here, a little profit taking. But we'll have to see if this resistance can hold tomorrow. Light volume today. And might get some lighter volume here this week, but that's going to leave some choppy markets. So we're kind of expecting that here over the next few days. But give us a call. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web, allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day today, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.